Hey guys, Lord Skywalker 101 here. If it gets blurry on okay guys, I'm using earbuds. They're like literally plugged in. Remember last time I was reacting to the video? Well, I was actually using earbuds. They were in my ear and I could hear them. So I plugged them in before. But guys, let's just stop the chatting and get to the video.
Merry Christmas! How's my little pot of sugar frosted bacon drippings doing this morning?
I'd feel better if my head stopped pounding.
Yeah, you hit that eggnog pretty hard last night.
Are you still mad about?
You mean the part where you tried to stick your tongue down my twin sister's beak?
Yeah, that part.
Nah, who can blame you? She looks just like me and you were under the mistletoe and all.
Oh, good, she bought that line. Hey, did Santa Claus make his delivery last night?
Well, you could say he tried, but he was a bit premature like usual, if you know what I mean.
What?
Oh, you mean did he leave any Christmas presents? Sure he did. And look what he brought for you.
Oh, well, this is gonna be great. I've been wanting a tube of shotgun polishing compound for years.
Did Santa Claus have to bring me anything?
He sure did.
Well, it looks like Santa Claus must have run out of real paper before he got around to wrapping my gift. Let's just see what's in here. God damn it, Bo. Why'd I get a Wii U video game?
Because Sandy knowed how much you really wanted one. Wink, wink.
I thought I made it clear to Santa that I wanted an iPhone, not some stupid video game. Sheesh. Here's your next gift from Santa.
Well, look at that. An iPhone. Just what I asked for.
And I got a Wii U Pro controller. Great. Any more gifts under there from Santa?
Yep, one more apiece. I got a new GG Hill purse and makeup bag.
Well, this is predictable. I got 2 games for Wii U.
Wow, those look like fun.
That handbag sure looks pretty.
Hey, sweet plumpkins. What you say about trading each other, your gifts for my gifts?
I thought you'd never ask. And you can even keep that shotgun polishing crap too.
Santa always knows what to bring us.
Just shut up and hand me my iPhone already.
So, are we going over to your folks' house for Christmas dinner today?
Yeah, but you better stay the hell away from my sister this time. I'll chop your little pecker clean off. Got it?
Let me see what it says. Play Super Mario World. Okay, I played that game before, guys, but okay, guys, bye. Or you should also subscribe to Boeing. I can't read, guys. Okay.